Let's get started with our supplies for this project. So you're going to need some craft sticks. You're going to need a glue gun and glue sticks, self-laminate sheet, and some 90-pound glossy cardstock. And then of course a Cricut machine or any cutting machine. Let's go ahead and upload our scroll SVG into Design Space. This can be found in the description. I have a link to go ahead and purchase this on the site. Then we're going to upload our picture that we're going to use as a complex image. And I'm also going to upload it as a pattern fill. We have our SVG scroll. You want to go ahead and ungroup it so that you can take the parts away that you don't want to use right now. I'm going to remove the outline and then a few of these other small pieces. Once you have removed all of the pieces that you don't want to work with right away, you want to go ahead and grab your picture. And I'm going to show you guys a few different ways that you can design this SVG file. So right now I'm just positioning my picture to see how it's going to fit into the scroll and what's going to be cut off if I was to do the whole picture. So I'm going to send the picture to the back actually, so this way you could get a better visual. So as you can see, most of my face would be cut off if I did all of those pieces. So we're going to go with just those two pieces, and you want to grab each piece in the picture and slice it. So you're going to slice each piece separately. And this is if you wanted to do a pattern fill. Of course, you want to select all of those pieces and go up to color, select pattern, move around your picture to see what looks the best. And as you can see, this doesn't look too good. So I'm going to scrap this and we're going to go back to the original. So I decided I wanted to try to fill that little piece in with the picture as well, just to see what it would look like. So I'm going in and putting that pattern in, moving it around. And now I'm going to go in and put my text, change my colors of the other pieces here. All of this is just basically you going in and using your design skills. As you can see, I did two different designs here just to kind of show you guys how you can play around with it. And we're going to go ahead and print this out. I decided not even to go with this one, guys. Actually, I went back and I changed the colors to something that fit the picture more. When designing stuff, most of the times less is more. Once you have this printed out on your cardstock, we're going to go ahead and laminate this. This laminate is going to make it glossier and a little thicker. So you want to leave a piece of the laminate exposed and then go in, laminate of course, and then squeegee it. Go ahead, let your Cricut machine do its thing. We use craft board settings. Once it is done cutting it out, you want to place it face down. Get your glue sticks, go halfway in the middle of the glue stick, place it halfway into your graduation fan, flip it over. As you can see, I had a little oopsie, slide it down. Here is the finished product, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, drop them below and I will reply back to you.